Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we will be stuffing our child tax credit of $550. I'm also going to be doing a giveaway. So in order to know how to enter, please keep on watching this video. I know a lot of people are using their child tax credit money to stuff only their kids' envelope. Me personally, I'm not going to be doing that. I'm actually going to be stuffing all of my envelopes. You know, it's up to you what you want to do with it. But me personally, this is what I want to do. So let's do it. So I'm not going to be stuffing my cash envelope. I'm only doing sinking funds. So Julian gets his usual $25. So we're going to do a 20 and a 5. So Julian now has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 125, 30, 35, 40, 42. That's $142. Guys, if you haven't noticed, I removed the budget sheet that was behind the money, and I'm gonna show you what I actually made, which I think is so much better and makes the envelope less bulky, and plus, you know, you can actually see the money in the envelope without budget sheet in the back. So I will show you that at the end. So Julia now has 142. Okay, Mason also gets $25, and he is getting a 20 and a 5. So Mason now has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 125, 30, 35, 40, $42. That's $142. All right. Milo, my puppy, is getting $25. And I've already met my goal, you know, to pay the rover sitter for Milo, so when we go on vacation. But now I am stuffing money to get him groomed before I leave. So this is that money for that. Okay, so Milo now has 100, 200, 250, 270, 290, 310, 330, 350, 360, 365, 370, 375. $375. All right, student loan gets $20. We're doing a 20. So student loan now has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120. Okay. School supplies gets $50. So we're doing a 50. School supplies now has 50, 100, 120, 130, 140, 145, 150. My goal for school supplies is 250, so we're almost there. Okay, birthdays gets $10. So I'm doing a 10. The birthday now has 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, $80. Okay, Christmas gets $5. We're gonna do a 5. So Christmas now has $10, $15, $20, $25. All right, vacation is getting a lot because I am leaving in less than 3 weeks. So vacation gets $310. So we're gonna do 300s and a 10. So vacation now has 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 550, 600, 20, 40, 60, 80, 700, 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 784. Okay. Emergency gets $25. So we're gonna do a 20 and a 5. So emergency now has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 125, 130, 135, 140. All right. Family savings gets $25. So we're doing a 20 and a 5. So family savings now has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 140. Okay, let me have some coffee, guys. So family savings has 140. Dream home, it's $25. So we're doing a 20 and a 5. So dream home now has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. That's 140. All right. And subscription gets $5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So subscriptions now has 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, $20. And that's about it. Now I will be showing you guys something that I made. I'm always making something, creating something, you know, trying to bring something new to you guys and to my Etsy shop. So this is something I made. This is a sinking fund tracker. So what it is you write down all the categories and then you write down the balance every time you do update your sinking fund. So like for today, I've already updated it for today. So I wrote last update, and that's today's date. And then as you can see here, the numbers match. So you see Julian 142, Mason, Milo student loan, and so on. So this is what I do. I track it here so I don't have to add a budget sheet behind my, you know, my cash and the envelopes, so they can look like this, very simple and clean and nice. So what I do, I just put this tracker in the back, and I'll just update it every time I stuff these envelopes. These are reusable. You can use a Q-tip and rub in alcohol, just wipe it down, and then let it dry, you know, dry it good, and then just update it again, and that's it. So I have that, the sinking fund tracker, and then I also have the monthly expense tracker. And that's about it. See, it's nice and simple. Okay, so let's talk about the giveaway. All right, so for the giveaway, I'm not giving away cash because I've heard other YouTubers have this issue where you will choose a winner, and then the winner, well, not the winner, but like somebody pretending to be the winner, a scammer will actually message you and say, hey, it's me, send me the money, this is my account or whatever. I'm not doing that. I'm not trying to scam. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to be giving away this starter set that you guys see here. It's of 13 items, and it's actually this binder, which is the same binder I have, along with 5 envelopes. You choose what categories you want, so you have to give me 5 names for your categories, and also you will be getting this bank envelope and the cash breakdown along with one of these. These are not the best, but listen, it's free. So this is all you're getting. You're getting 13 items, the binder, the 5 envelopes. Also, you're getting 5 of the 1K placeholder slips, and then the bank envelope and the cash breakdown along with this coin purse. So in order to enter, this is what I'm going to do. So you have to like this video and also subscribe. I am able to see if you did subscribe to my channel, so make sure you do. Also, you have to answer these 3 questions and leave the answers in the comment box below. So number 1 is what state you live in, and the reason I'm asking what state you live in is because this giveaway is only for the states, the United States, not internationally, not anywhere else, just in the United States. Then number 2 is tag your Instagram account. You will be getting a message from this Instagram up here. If you get a message from another Instagram that looks like it, then it's not me. So this is it right here. I have 200 followers, so make sure that you do see that. And then the third one, leave a blue heart, and then I will enter you. Wednesday the 18th, I will be announcing the winner on my next video. So that's it. Make sure you do follow these directions in order to enter. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys did with your child tax credit, and enjoy your Saturday. Bye.